Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficients are indicators of the strength of a linear relationship between two variables x and y. A linear correlation coefficient that is greater than 0 indicates a positive relationship. A value that is less than negative signifies negative relationship. Finally, a value of 0 indicates no relationship between these two variables. The correlation coefficient is a measure that determines the degree to which movement of two different variables is associated. The most common correlation coefficient generated by Pearson product movement correlation is used to measure linear relationship between two variables. In a non-linear relationship, this correlation coefficient may not always be suitable measure of dependence. The possible range of values for a correlation coefficient is between -1 to +1. In other words, the values cannot exceed 1 or less than -1. A correlation of -1 indicates a perfect negative correlation, and a correlation of +1 indicates a perfect positive correlation. If the correlation coefficient is greater than 0, it is a positive relationship. Conversely, if the value is less than 0, it is a negative relationship. A value of 0 indicates that there is no relation between these variables. Both the Pearson coefficient calculation and basic linear regression are ways to determine how statistical variables are linearly related. However, these two methods differ from each other. The Pearson coefficient is a measure of strength and direction of linear association between two variables with no assumption of causality. The Pearson coefficient shows correlation, not causation. Pearson coefficient also varies from +1 to -1, and similar interpretation can be made. Thanks for watching. Bye.